Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Tawanda and this is Tawanda's Blessed Life. And today I will be starting my series of me decorating my home for fall. And our first video will be of me decorating my fireplace. And so I'm going to go ahead and just show you all what my fireplace currently looks like after I went ahead and got everything cleaned and wiped down. And we're going to go ahead and get into the video. So I hope you all enjoy and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. My name is Tawanda, and this is Tawanda's Blessed Life. And today I'm going to go ahead and start to decorate for fall. So I'm going to start off with decorating my fireplace. So I'll go ahead and just show you that in a little bit. I'll show you the before and also insert some pictures. But I went ahead and cleaned everything out. We have some family over, so we're going to go ahead and get started with decorating. I'll go ahead and just show you the before, and then we'll see what the after looks like. And then I'll move on to, originally I wanted to start off with the back wall because I needed to paint it. But because we had family and friends over yesterday, that didn't happen. So I'm going to go ahead and just start with the fireplace. And then I'll move my way around to the bookcase, and I'll probably do the wall next. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you all what I'm going to be using. I'm just going to see, we haven't pulled out all of our fall decor, so I'm going to see what I have in my cabinet over here, and that's what I think I'm going to just use for my fireplace. It should be, I think I have enough pumpkins to do that, and I also have a couple that I did not store in our storage unit that I can use also. So I'll show you those, and I'll just, yeah, so let's see what we got in the cabinet. So this is my cabinet here, and I do tend to keep, I try and keep my glass pumpkins in here. It's a bit of a mess, but I do keep them in here. So I think I might have enough to be able to do what I need to do. So the top shelf, I usually just keep my pumpkins there, the ones that I don't want to put outside or put in a storage container. And then I store some of my Christmas decor down here. But we'll go ahead and get these out, and then we'll go ahead and get started. I'm also going to use these are the two maple trees that I made. They're the DIY I put out a couple of weeks ago, I believe, because this video will be coming out a little bit later. So so those are my maple trees that I made. And then I also have a couple of pumpkins over here that I've DIY'd, and I went ahead and took out. And then I have some of my books that I'm going to use. So a lot of this stuff will also be used on my shelf when I just start to decorate that. But we're going to start off with the fireplace. So I'll go ahead and just give you all a quick look at what it currently looks like. Like I said, I went ahead and cleaned it out. So there's nothing really in there. So this is what the fireplace currently looks like.